Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to another 143 scale video. Today we have a Quartzo. I don't think I have had any Quartzo cars in in my collection. Definitely don't have any right now, but if I have experienced them before, I'm not sure. This is a Porsche 956 short tail with CANON as the main sponsor. On the car itself, yeah, hopefully this one has no issues. Got this one found in the flea market. Hopefully this one doesn't have any issues, because the previous model that I posted probably the video on was in no good shape. So this one's, the packaging is really roached, so I'll be tossing it for sure. Hopefully it is a roller, so it will stay in my collection. Let's see how do I get it out. Currently I have no idea if it's going to be a roller, because the Matra, when I was unscrewing it, I was able to, maybe it will be. By touching the wheels it was pretty easy to tell. And this one will be a roller, as you can see. Yeah, the wheels do turn, so we have like Dunlop tires. The headlights are, oh yeah, they're actually there, so they're lensed. There's some dirt on it because it's been sitting probably in storage for who knows how long. Needs a little bit of a clean. The spoiler in the back is plastic. The rest of the body is die cast, except for the base. The base is plastic, as you can see. Very simple, slick tires. Pull them out slightly because they're, that's one. And then the sides, yeah, now everything looks fine. Yeah, looking pretty nice. We have lensed details for the back also. You have this little tow hook right there. I don't know what's going on here with the lights. Are there supposed to be lights in there, or it's just that I got another damaged model? Not fully sure what's going on with these. Are they supposed to be like that, or they're supposed to be just holes there, or supposed to be like lights there or something? I'm not fully sure. I'll have to check that as soon as I'm done with this video, because in the packaging I couldn't see that being there. So let's hope that is fine. Although this will be a very slight issue comparing to the Matra that I opened in one of my previous videos, where the whole headlight was gone. At least the cover for the headlights was gone, and it was not anywhere in the packaging. Well, acrylic case, not packaging, as you can see. As if you saw the video, you know. Yeah, there's nothing more I can say. Let's have a roll test. All rolls perfectly well with no issues. Slightly wobbly wheel in the front, but not the worst case. So yeah, this thing is mostly awesome and no issues to argue about. It was only like €5, so it was stupidly cheap also, so very nice addition. So there you go, guys. Hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.